Morning everyone, welcome to day 15 of the Cape Wrath Trail. It's really early this morning, it's about 7 o'clock, been up since about 6, packing the tent, breaking it down. Slept really well last night, really good sleep on the beach, it was perfect. So yeah, ready to crack on with the day and get to the Cape Wrath, get to the lighthouse this morning. We're going to be leaving here in about 15 minutes. I think we got about seven, maybe 8 miles to get to the lighthouse. We're going to stop by a bothy first thing. I think it's about 2 miles in, so we'll stop at that, just a little short break, and then we'll push on to the lighthouse. Hoping to be there around 1 o'clock and get some food. Yeah, that's about it really to talk about. Yesterday was one of the best days on the trail for me. I really enjoyed that. Very short day, but hanging out with the group that I'm walking with, it's just been over the moon. I can't believe it. It's been loads of fun. So Leonard is up on the hill. We'll catch up with him in a little bit, and then we'll see you guys later on in the trail. I'm super excited for today. I look like I've been through hell. I really do. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we'll see you guys as we make our way to the lighthouse. It's going to be an exciting day, and I'm just happy to share it with you guys. And yeah, lost for words now. See you guys later on in the trail. Made it to the bothy. This is where a guy back in the 60s, 70s lived by himself for many years. So it's quite an interesting bothy. He's almost like a squatter. I don't know if anybody's in it today. I don't think so, because it's quite a remote area to have a bothy. I think it's free of people, maybe. Ooh, it's dark in here. Oh wow. They did all these drawings on the walls. This is the guy there. He was the squatter. And this was his home. That's the name of the bothy if you want to read more about it. These are all his paintings on the wall that he drew. How cool is that? Lots of room in here. Yeah, there's all more of his, well, look at this. All his paintings on the wall. Crazy. He used to just live here. It's just wild. Horses. Amazing. There we go. Check out the other room. I don't think there's anybody in here. Oh, there's no one in here. Alright, this one's got like a double bunk. A ladder, double bunk. Alright, that's a tour of the bothy. We're gonna have a break here. Oops. All right, we're just heading in that basically direction. Just gonna spin you around. That's where we were earlier today, down there by the pinnacle. Got Leonard coming up behind. We're basically just navigating via compass and map. I'm kind of using, because I haven't tracked this on my GPS, so I'm kind of just winging it. And we're doing okay. The ground is not too bad underfoot. A little boggy, but not too bad. Slow going though because of the terrain, but we'll be entering the danger zone soon, probably in the next 45 minutes. Over this hill by the lock-in, this danger zone starts. And then all hell breaks loose. Anyway, no, there's no bombing today. We're good. We've already checked that out, made sure we're safe. So just heading in that direction. Well, we made it to the danger zone. We are okay to cross today. We've done our research and we know that they're not firing today. The next firing is on the 21st and the 22nd of May. So we just got to cross this gate and carry on our way. Looks like people have bent the gate down over here and got underneath because there's no really footstep across that I can see for a little while. So I think we're just gonna have to cross here somehow, and just be careful not to rip our rucksacks on the barbed wire, and then carry in that direction there. We're all clogged in now, can't see a thing. Pretty sure you could probably see the lighthouse from here. So not far from it now, probably about a mile, mile and a half, maybe a mile and a half too. Yeah, unfortunately you can't see a thing. Just make out a hill over there in the distance. It should be all downhill now once we come over this crest, and then drop down to the lighthouse, get to the 4x4 track, and it should be relatively easy. You can see the coast now, make out the water. So yeah, we're just gonna drop down. Take our time, make our way down. Cape Wrath is dead ahead. Can't see it. Can't see the lighthouse, but it's dead ahead in front of me. Sure it's over that hump there. Just heading down to it now. It's gonna be so good. Cloud 9, guys, cloud 9. Ugh. So good, so good. Walking across another boggy field. I'm on track though. This is the path that I mapped. So kind of just heading that direction really. I can kind of see something over the top of the hill there, like a little point. I'm assuming that's the top of the lighthouse. So just kind of crossing this wet ground. But feeling really good. All right, made it up to the gravel road and basically walking into the lighthouse now. A little bit of a steep climb up to it, but yeah, pushing along. Quite warm I am, even though it's quite chilly. Oh, I'm on cloud 9 though. Really, really excited. That's the view back to Sandwood Bay. You can see it out there in the distance. How cool is that? Yeah, got a few people ahead of us that are. This guy coming around the corner, he finished this morning. Now he's heading back to Sandwood Bay to get a ride home. So very cool. There she is. There's the lighthouse. I've made it. Yes, that is awesome. Cape Wrath Trail 2024 lighthouse. Oh man, what an experience. Oh, that is as good as it can be right there. Oh, I'm so proud. Oh. Malcolm's coming up behind me. He's gonna do a little video for himself. I'm gonna call my wife now. I'll see you guys at the finish line. All right, guys, and here we are coming to the end. Walking in to see the lighthouse. Ozone Cafe, amazing. Can't wait to go in there. That's the lighthouse for you. How beautiful is that? What a sight. 15 days, 240 some miles, bog after bog after bog. Just epic place to be. That's Mike for you. Say hi, Mike.
Hi, Mike.
Yeah, I didn't know you could walk back here. This is Leonard up front. that you know I've been walking with. And this is the lighthouse. This is the closest we're gonna be able to get. It looks very good, well-kept lighthouse, isn't it? Paint. I think that might be the most kept up lighthouse I've ever seen with paint. Oh, amazing. What an amazing thing. Leonard, what do you got to say? Are you shocked? You're speechless, mate. Oh, it's amazing, isn't it? Oh my gosh. We did it together, man. High five, me and you. Great trip, man. We did it together, man. How cool is that? From day one, me and Leonard. That's awesome, man. Let's go over and see the air horn over here and check that out. What a journey. What a journey. Let's see this air horn here. And then I'm gonna end the video and get me some food, guys. Malcolm's just coming through now. We'll get a little video of him when he comes through. When I see him, just gonna check out the air horn here with you guys. Thank you for following this far. If you've made it and you've watched it to the end, I really appreciate it. And please remember to give me a thumbs up. Oh my gosh, look at that view down the side of Scotland. Wow. If you're watching this and you want to come to the Cape Wrath, there is a bus you can take to come out here, ferry and a bus to get you to this destination, or you can walk the Cape Wrath Trail, which I recommend you do. This is interesting. Look at this. This is the very, ooh, there's a little siren horn thing there. This is the end. That's it. That's the end of the world. Oh boy. That's the end of Scotland. Watch your head. Oh man, how epic is this? Oh, the lighthouse is just behind me. Oh. Got some ships out there. Malcolm, how are you? How are you feeling, mate?
Fantastic.
I'm gonna shake your hand on camera.
Yeah,
great job,
well,
congratulations.
Charles, congratulations.
Congratulations to you.
To walk with you.
Yes.
Chuffed to walk with you.
Yes, thank you.
Top navigator.
Go and check out that view out there, it's amazing. This is amazing.
So pleased.
Yes. What an experience. All right, guys, I'll flip the camera around real quick. Right, flip the camera around. I'm gonna end the video for today here. And we still got a little bit more to do. I've still got to make it around to the down there, down that shoreline there is the bothy we're gonna stay at for tonight. But now I'm gonna drop my backpack and get inside and have a coffee and maybe some food and celebrate with the lads, because what a journey. We've still got Emma coming in, so we'll celebrate with her when she comes in. But I'll see you guys on the next video, which will come out once we start walking back to heading to the bothy. I might not actually do a whole video of that. Actually, I might edit it and just do a few photos from here or there. But thank you guys for watching the Cape Wrath journey, and see you guys on the next one. Thought I'd show you guys a little bit of the Ozone Cafe, where we're going to be enjoying some food. That's a sign of the Scottish National Trail, if you've done that. This is the menu wall here. All the stuff that they sell. Beautiful place. Right.
We wander through slightly forlorn buildings, hunched on the wind-sheared cliffs of the Cape. It's only natural to have mixed feelings. Elation at having reached your final objective. Satisfaction at having endured the physical hardships along the way. Humility in the face of the raw power of nature all around. Regret or relief that the journey is finally over. It will take days, if not weeks, to process the magnitude of this experience. But as you float across the Kyle of Durness, or retrace your steps to the Kinloch Bervie, it's worth reflecting on the words of John Muir, written more than a century ago, but still remarkably prescient. Thousands of tired, nerve-shaken, over-civilized people are beginning to find out that going to the mountains is going home. That wilderness is a necessity. It's easy to get sucked back into the hectic pell-mell of everyday life, leaving trail memories distant, detached and unreal. But try to hold on to some of the sedate pace of the wilderness, remembering the simple pleasures of getting from one place to another, surviving and traversing a landscape that has existed since time immemorial. Is it
Immemorial.
Yeah, immemorial. Yeah, that's a word, isn't it? The Cape will still be standing, stolid and immovable, a giant buttress to the wild Atlantic, long after our own time has come and gone, and you were there. You were there in that place at that moment. That's it. The
Yay! Good job, Malk. Come on then, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Only in Scotland.